When it comes to woodworking, precision and stability can make all the difference. And that's exactly where a solid wood vise comes in. Whether you're shaping, sanding, or assembling, the right vise keeps your work secure and your results consistent. In today's video, we're taking a look at the top 5 best wood vises for workbenches. We'll break down what each one offers, how it performs, and who it's best suited for. Let's get started. Starting off our list, we have the Beaccoss Portable Woodworking Vise. This is a compact and practical option designed for users who need flexibility without committing to a permanent setup. It's built from solid hardwood, giving it a sturdy feel while still being lightweight enough to move around easily. This makes it a great solution for small workshops, temporary setups, or even outdoor woodworking. The vise clamps securely onto a table or bench, so you don't need a dedicated workbench to get started. It's especially useful for DIY users, hobbyists, or beginners who want a reliable holding tool without taking up too much space. If you're looking for something simple, portable, and functional, this one gets the job done without overcomplicating things. Next up is the Fetcoi Woodworking Bench Vise, a solid choice for users who want durability and a more traditional workbench setup. This vise is made from high-quality hardwood, designed to handle consistent pressure and repeated use. It features a smooth screw mechanism that allows for controlled clamping, which is important when working with delicate wood pieces. One of its key advantages is stability. Once mounted, it provides a firm grip that reduces movement during cutting, drilling, or sanding. This makes it ideal for intermediate woodworkers or anyone upgrading from a basic clamp system. It offers a nice balance between strength and usability, making it a dependable addition to most home workshops. At number 3, we have the Woodstock D4648 Cabinet Maker's Front Vise, a more heavy-duty option built for serious woodworking tasks. This vise features a solid birch jaw that provides both strength and a smooth clamping surface. It's designed for front mounting on a workbench, giving you better access and control when working on larger pieces. The metal hardware underneath adds to its durability, allowing it to handle higher pressure without flexing. This is especially useful for cabinet makers or users working on detailed joinery. If your projects require precision and consistent clamping force, this vise delivers reliable performance over time. It's a strong pick for dedicated woodworkers who need something more robust. Coming in at number 2 is the OCASAMI Portable Workbench Wood Vise, which stands out for its combination of craftsmanship and convenience. This vise features a beautifully finished wooden surface with a smooth grain, but it's not just about looks. It's designed to provide a secure grip while protecting your workpiece from damage. Like other portable models, it can be easily attached and removed, making it perfect for users who need flexibility in their workspace. What makes this one particularly appealing is its balance between aesthetics and functionality. It's well suited for DIY enthusiasts, home users, and even light professional work where mobility and ease of use are important. If you want something that's both practical and visually appealing, this is a great option to consider. Taking the top spot is the Sjöbergs Smart Workstation Pro Vise, a premium choice designed for professional-level performance. This vise is part of a complete workstation system, built with precision and durability in mind. It's engineered to provide maximum stability, making it ideal for demanding woodworking tasks. The build quality is exceptional, with carefully crafted components that ensure smooth operation and long-term reliability. It offers excellent clamping force while maintaining control, which is crucial for detailed work. This vise is best suited for professionals or serious hobbyists who want a high-end solution that integrates seamlessly into a dedicated workbench setup. If you're investing in your workshop and want top-tier performance, this is the one that stands out. So, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best wood vises for workbenches. Each of these options offers something different, whether it's portability, durability, or professional-grade performance. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these vices would you choose for your workspace? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tool reviews and roundups.